So the Joint Patrol Program is a partnership between OSU and the Columbus Division of Police, where there's 3 OSU police officers who are assigned full-time over here to the Columbus Police Department. We ride around with a Columbus officer and we take runs on the east side of High Street. We respond to other calls, have proactive presence.
I think it's very important for a few reasons. The first of which is OSU has access to resources that CPD may not have. They have a fairly large police force in a smaller area, and they have cameras that are all over the campus area.
OSU has a lot of resources available to students, including students who live off campus. And if an OSU officer responds to a call for service on Columbus Police's jurisdiction, then the OSU officer is able to provide those students those resources and point them in the right direction if they have any follow-up or questions, concerns.
How are you? Yes, you're on TV, yeah.
We're going out there and we're creating relationships with a lot of these students who normally wouldn't call us and say, hey, this is happening.
We're on bikes a lot of the time. You get a better opportunity to talk to people, answer some people's questions or maybe concerns they have about the off-campus area because we're more approachable being on bikes. The university's been doing a lot to increase security off campus. They've installed a lot of permanent light fixtures in the off-campus area. For a lot of years, the alleys and roadways on the east side of High Street have been poorly lit. Now they're very bright, and that's a big deterrent to crime. The university is also hiring a lot of non-sworn security personnel who are acting as a visual deterrent in the off-campus area, but they're also able to report crimes to police so that we can have a faster response.